Morning, sir.
Hi, morning.
Give us that driver's license. Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Right, get yourself ready and then we'll get ourselves ready.
You didn't show me the bonnet.
The bonnet,
Yeah.
I'll do then when we get to the test centre, yeah?
Alright.
There's only 3 questions. How would you check the oil?
Which one?
How would you check the oil?
Oil. Yeah, we'll just identify the dipstick,
Yeah.
and it should be, the oil level should be on the between the maximum and minimum markers.
So you pull it out, wipe it with a cloth, yeah?
Yeah.
Engine coolant, how would you check them levels?
To identify the tank, and should be within the markers.
And the brake fluid?
Brake fluid also should be within the minimum and the maximum markers.
Good. Right, go on. Oh, today we've got Jubin John in for driving test first attempt.
Yeah.
These Indian guys are pass rate wreckers. They wreck my pass rate, but this guy's really good. So I'm expecting a first time pass with no more than 2 driver faults. You got that?
Alright, yeah.
Now then, when you're ready, we'll give a prediction when we get the test set. We'll see how he drives. What's that say on the dashboard?
Fuel reserve.
Oh, we'll have to put some fuel in them. Right. Hang on a minute. Did your wife wish you good luck then?
Yes.
Did Johnson?
Johnson, maybe. I didn't call him actually.
Did you know? Yeah. Put your window up and return around. And then get the roundabout turn left.
Left.
Yes. There's your baseball cap on.
Which one?
Your baseball cap.
Yeah. Just left it.
You give way to them, don't you? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't pull out there. Right fourth exit.
Right fourth exit.
Yes. That's a really good decision to go there, sir. Really good. Good. Are you feeling nervous?
Little bit.
Little bit. Just really getting to the test centre. Now, can you reverse it into a gear? Reverse it anyone you want. It's perfect now. Well done. Let's drive out the car park. Well, it's time to go to the test centre, sir.
Alright.
How are you feeling?
Better.
Better? Turn right into the car park.
This right or
No,
that?
into the car park where the learners are. Then they're doing the test now, yeah. And then can you reverse it into the bay for us? Yeah,
There.
please.
Only one bay left.
Hmm?
Only one bay left.
Oh, make it look good, yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's a bit tight.
Beautiful. We might usually be getting that in easy.
He was moving forward.
Is he?
Yeah.
Don't rise the edge.
It's a bit dull.
Straighten that wheel. That's it.
But I can't get out.
Well, that's it, problem. Not there, really close on the right. Put your handbrake on. Put in your.
This is the test center, right?
Yeah. Right. Emergency stop. Right. Have you any questions before we go in?
About the bonnet?
Yeah. Right, now my email address is on the iPad. Just say it's fine, that's fine. Have you got that? So don't worry about that. Now he'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no. Okay?
Alright.
If you want him there, he'll say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes. Okay? Now, you have got nothing to worry about. Your driving is of a good standard. Really good standard, yeah?
Alright.
So this guy, whoever you get, wants to pass you. Okay?
Okay.
So it's time to wish him the very best of luck. Predictions, how many faults? Pass or fail?
Pass.
Right, how many faults?
3 or 4 maybe.
3 or 4? If this guy's in the zone and he can drive like I know he can, I'm going for 1 minor fault. Just the 1. Have you got that? So come back with a pass, sir. Right, any questions?
No.
Right.
Shall I take this with me or?
Yes, take it with you. Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done. Tell them what you've done.
It was like the same test route I got that
No,
year.
tell them what you've done. Tell them, have you passed the field?
Yeah, I passed the test.
How many faults?
0 faults.
0 faults.
Yeah, that's with Ken. I appreciate him.
I was going to go for a clean sheet when I predicted, but I thought, put too much pressure on him. But he is a really, really good driver, this one. Feels safe as houses with him. Oh, well done.
I just called my wife and
Oh, no. I was due a clean sheet, to be fair.
I also didn't expect that.
Well, you're a good driver. You
was
really are.
much concentrating on that.
Yeah.
On my driving, I thought I would be getting 2 or 3 faults, but
Yeah. What was the examiner like?
he was okay.
Was he alright?
Yeah.
Did he speak much?
Not too much, but he asked me like where we are working and what you do.
Yeah.
Are you at the work today, like that?
Oh, well done.
And I was like, I don't want to speak any word. Like yesterday, it was happened to me when we were going. Like I slow down when I speak.
Yeah.
So I don't want to speak to him actually.